For half a century, this Ohio-based company has been developing solutions for a wide range of industries and is a leader in precision leak detection systems and equipment, providing solutions for manufacturers across the world. Join us in Cincinnati, Ohio, and meet Cincinnati Test Systems.
Cincinnati Test Systems is a leak test company. Any product that needs to hold fluid or prevent fluid from getting out likely gets leak tested. We can provide standard instrumentation or fully blown turnkey solutions that can go out into customers' production lines and test their products for those leaks so that when those products go out into the field, we are sure that they're free of defects.
Everything leaks, it just needs to leak in a very specific way. The car I drive has been leak tested. The phone I scroll on at lunch has been leak tested. The coffee that I drink came from a machine that's been leak tested. We here at Cincinnati Test Systems make the instruments to test to make sure things leak the way they need to.
CTS offers a diverse portfolio of equipment. We do pressure decay testing for things like consumer goods, electronics, medical devices, things like your faucet in your house. Pressure decay is really good for high volume with real precision results. We can tracer gas test with many different gases. Helium's probably the best because it's a really small molecule, makes it really easy to find leaks that other systems can't. That is used in HVAC, it is used in automotive as well, and aerospace, some medical devices as well. We do vacuum decay testing, we do leak location devices where we can actually locate the leak.
CTS is a multinational company. We work with a variety of industries throughout the world. We can customize our products, we can work with air or tracer gas such as helium, and this flexibility allows us to offer the right solution every time. We can leak test almost anything.
One of the great strengths of our team actually lies in its diversity. We have a large group of talented individuals who have varying forms of professional training as well as formalized education, biomedics, engineering, physics, and even the arts. And this various talent allows us to analyze customer problems from a panoramic view, and then also enables our internal team to look at that customer problem and give them a more comprehensive 360-degree solution.
When a customer contacts Cincinnati Test Systems, they're working directly with the leak test experts. We don't use call centers or outside integrators. They work directly with the leak test experts. That way the customer is working directly with the person that's working on their projects, the products, and any processes involved.
CTS is a one-stop shop for our leak testing needs. During part design, CTS specifies leak test instrumentation and test type. During equipment build and commissioning, CTS supports our operations. The CTS service team is unmatched and provides on-site training and support for our leak testing needs.
Our people are the best. We have the most experienced team in the industry. We all take pride in what we do, and that allows us to deliver the best products and services. We're always looking for new innovation, coming out with new product. We all share the same common goal of customer satisfaction. We know that customers are the lifeline of our industry, and that's what makes us one of the world's greatest.